Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If it's your first time stopping by here, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, a feature hug to you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to use apple cider vinegar to get rid of your dark underarms. Yes, your dark underarms. If you're a lover of spaghetti tops, strapless tops, armless tops, or gowns or whatnot, and your dark underarms have been preventing you from slaying those beautiful dresses and tops, then look no further, because in this video I'm going to show you guys this remedy that will help you to say goodbye to that dark underarms. Dark underarms is not a severe health condition, but there are some things that actually causes a dark underarms, and I'm going to tell you guys the things that causes a dark underarms. First thing that causes a dark underarms is shaving. Of course, a lot of us shave. Some other people actually use waxing and whatnot, but if you're someone that actually shave your underarms, then you are prone to have a dark underarms. Another thing that causes a dark underarms is hormonal imbalance. So if your hormones are not properly balanced, this can actually lead to a dark underarms. Another thing that causes a dark underarms is the use of deodorant. So we know we can do without using deodorant or perspirant on our underarms, because you don't want to smell or have that bad odor around you. So if you're someone, or of course everyone, almost literally everyone uses a roll-on or whatnot under their underarms. So whilst using your roll-on, you need to also use this home remedy in order to get rid of that your dark underarms. What that causes a dark underarms is excessive sweating. Of course, you know we live in a very hot country like Nigeria, and we are prone to get hot every now and then. So if you sweat excessively, then of course you're prone to sweating. And something else that causes a dark underarms is dirt. So if you're a dirty person, then of course you know your underarms will be dark. So you need to pay attention. You need to give your underarms a special care or attention, because the skin around that area is quite tough, and you need to scrub that area more than every other part of your body. So I've told you guys the causes of a dark underarms, because like they always say, prevention is better than cure. So I don't just show you guys the remedy you need to get rid of this dark underarms, I'll just tell you things that actually causes a dark underarms. So since I have told you guys the things that causes a dark underarms, I'm going to move over to show you guys this remedy you need to use if you're already suffering from a dark underarms. So if you like to see this remedy, all you need to do is to keep watching this video up until the end. But if you're not subscribed to my channel, I don't even know what you're doing, please subscribe to my channel. This is like hitting the red subscribe button down below. I think you're going to find it here or here. So smash that red button. Also right beside the subscribe button, you're gonna find the notification bell icon. Smash it so that anytime I post a video, YouTube gets to notify you. Also, if you find this video interesting to watch, why not smash the like button, and do not hesitate to share this video to your family, friends, loved ones, frenemy. That's if you have one. I don't think you have one, but we all do. And with that being said, I'm just gonna dive into this video. Let's go, guys. For this remedy, we need apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar have very rich content of acids such as amino acids, alpha hydroxy acid, and malic acid that helps to exfoliate the skin, and also it will help in clearing dead skin cells that dissolve the fat deposits in the skin and lessen scars. The properties of apple cider vinegar, such as antibacterial, antiseptic, and antimicrobial, will help in killing bacteria that are causing body odor and dirt, and clears dirt, overloads oil, and other impurities are causing dark discoloration on the skin. So these are the benefits of this is the benefit of apple cider vinegar. I'm going to show you guys the next ingredient and also tell you guys the benefit of it. Our second and last ingredient is coconut oil. Coconut oil helps to lighten dark underarms with its rich content of antimicrobial, saturated, anti-inflammatory, fatty acid, and vitamin E content that helps your skin nourish and also lightens your dark underarms. So this is the benefit of our two ingredients. I'm going to start off to mix these ingredients all up together. For this remedy, we need a clean bowl, and in my clean bowl, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of my coconut oil. So this is the first teaspoon, and this is the second teaspoon. And then I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of my apple cider vinegar as well. So this is the first teaspoon of my apple cider vinegar. And this is the second teaspoon of my apple cider vinegar. And then I'm going to stir this. So I'm done stirring at this point. So our remedy is ready to go up on our underarms. I'm going to set this aside. I'm going to illustrate to you guys how to use this on your dark underarms. So to use this, I'm going to illustrate this on my hands as well. To use this, all you need to do is to apply this remedy on your underarms generously. And I'm applying this with the help of this cotton brush right here. So apply this on your underarms generously. And once you've applied this on your underarms, all you need to do is to wait for about 20 to 25 minutes. So once you're done applying this, don't rush off and clean it. Just allow it to sit on your underarms for 20 to 25 minutes. And after about 20 to 25 minutes, all you need to do is to rinse this off with a lukewarm water. For you to see if an effective result, you need to repeat this at least every single day for the first 1 month, because you know the skin on our underarms is quite tough and it might take some time for you to see results. So you need to be very consistent with it and also patient in order to see results. So after 25 minutes, like I said, wash it off and then repeat this process every single day for you to see an effective result. Alright beauties, so that is how to make the remedy. In order to use this, all you need to do is to spread this under your arms. I apologize, I couldn't use this under my arms. I was actually in a hurry whilst I was making that video, so I was just rushing everything, and so I couldn't start boring you guys with the process of showing you guys my underarms. But I'm going to run you guys through the process on how you need to use this remedy on your dark underarms. So all you need to do is to spread this remedy under your arms. Allow this sit on your underarms for about 20 to 30 minutes. So let it be there. I always say, you guys, once you use a remedy, don't rush off and just go off and clean it off. No, you don't need to do that. So once you apply this, allow this to sit on your underarms for about 20 to 30 minutes. And after 20 to 30 minutes, then of course you can rinse this off with a lukewarm water. For you to see results, you need to repeat this process every single day in order to see effective results. And in no time, you'll realize your dark underarms will get clearer, it will brighten off, and you literally say goodbye to that dark underarms. I hope you've learned a thing also from watching this video. I hope this remedy helps you to say goodbye to your dark underarms. I hope this remedy helps you to start slaying this sleeveless top, those armless top, those spaghetti tops, and so I can be a baby girl for life. We all want to slay in this 2019. We don't want to be slacking. So I hope this remedy help you to say goodbye to all of that dark underarms. If you find this video helpful, or in one way or the other you learn a thing or two from watching this video, and you're not part of this family, like you're over there and you're not here, you don't want to join the winning team, you don't want to join my band, my team, why not join us? Do so by just smashing the red subscribe button down this video. It is absolutely free. Also, right beside the subscribe button, you find the notification bell icon. As the notification bell icon, that's where anytime I post a video, YouTube gets to notify you. If you find this video interesting to watch, why not smash the like button, and also don't hesitate to share the video to your family, friends, and loved ones. I was like, come your way next time. I am your dearest host. I got you good. I'll see you guys in the next video. Stay happy, stay blessed, stay motivated. I love you.